Now, like I earlier said, just for a teaser, we already know how the questions will come on Coriolanus. Question number 1, the examiner is going to ask you, rewrite the following lines in modern prose, modern English. Because bear in mind, Shakespeare wrote during the Elizabethan period in the Middle Ages. And so, of course, English language was archaic at the time. But now the examiner is going to challenge you, put this or that line in modern English prose. In that case, some candidates are going to start explaining. No, don't explain. There's no explanation that is needed. All you need to do is to rewrite that line in modern English prose, and you claim all the marks. That's why I earlier told you that knowing the questions and how to answer them is already a step towards passing. And examiners are key. Once you go explaining, they don't have anything again to discuss with you. They just cross it and they move on. That's a 0. So all you need to do is to translate it into modern English prose. I repeat, no explanation. And you observe that 2 marks, yes, as much as 2 marks allocated for question 1 or question A in Coriolanus and the Dance of the Forest. And it might interest you to know that sometimes examiners will even split that 1 mark into half-half. Given that if a candidate attempts to interpret or to rewrite a line in English prose, and in the course of that, they are able to get the first part of it right and the second part of the line wrong, the examiner can give you half mark. So bear that in mind. It's very, very crucial. Do not explain. Just put it in simple English prose. That is all for question 1. And then question 2 is what we always expect. Pick out the use of a figurative device and, of course, show its effectiveness. We have discussed that quite a number of times. Effectiveness is simple. Just go to that extract. Look at that linguistic environment or the area where that device is used, and then explain why it has been used, what the speaker has used that device to bring out. That is all about its effectiveness. That's just all. And you claim all the marks that are available there. Now, it is very important that when we read Coriolanus, you must understand the events of Coriolanus. You must be able to understand the plot, the storylines, how the events occur chronologically from the beginning to the end, because there's a huge chance that the examiner might pick out an event or a theme within the extract and ask you to expatiate where that theme or that event has been manifested, either before that extract or after the extract. So understanding the event is being able to situate that event within the broader narrative, within the storyline. You must be able to situate where that event took place. Very important.